range I'm going to be specified as a greater than 10 value, I'm going to return that how many number of the counts we have. One and yeah, only one and two. Yeah, 12 is also there, right? One and two. And we're going to be specified with the range that will text with a. So we have text with a 1 2 3 4. We have four values, right? So that is going to be given. And if what will happen, count all the cells that have the text with apple in it. Okay, we have apple in it and apple in it, two. That is a two. And what will happen, count if we are going to be specified within the range to count number of the values what we have. Count all the cells, we have the text in it. Okay, we have the text within it, we have the four text, right? So we are going to be give that value. And similarly, with respect to the count ifs, the basic difference between the count if and count ifs is we are taking, instead of only one criteria, we are taking multiple criteria. That's it. Whenever you see some s, it's going to be give as a multiple criteria to meet with respect to corresponding operators you're going to be specified. So in this case, we are just taking care of the counting all the cells corresponding to the number of conditions we are just applying to it. So in this case, we are just taking care of the B3 to B6 value range. This is the range we are going to be taking care, and we are just matching with greater than 10. This is the greater than 10 two values we have, and it's also matching with A values. Yes. So the number of the results is 2. And similarly, counting the number of the cells that have matched with A, right? So we have four values. It's going to be written as a 4. And similarly, count all the cells within the range of A3 to A6 that have the text apple in it, and at the same time the time cell is going to be b3 to b4, and that have the greater than the 20 value. We don't have that much of result to integrate with respect to the apple. That's a the result is very zero. And the large is the operator. It's going to be written k the largest value in the data sets. You can say in this data set large value is going to be given by using the large operator. Okay, so I'm taking this range. Okay, what is the exact large value? 7 is the largest value. Okay, for this data set. And if you want to specify any kind of the number with respect to that, that is also fine. Kth largest. Okay, if you want to be specified second largest, you can specify by using the second. If you want to specify by using the first or third, that is up to you. So if it written as a second largest number from that list, and small also will do the same. You can also specify it within the range to second smallest number, third smallest number, first smallest number, like that. That is also going to be performed within the range or within some corresponding values you're going to be specified. And very interesting operator called as a rank. What exactly the rank does, it will go and return rank of the number in a list of the numbers. So the basic syntax of the rank is number you're going to be specified, and reference, and also the order. That is very helpful to get the rank of the number. So what will happen if you specify this range? So this is the formula, right? So rank, we're taking consideration with respect to this range A2 to A6. So what will happen with corresponding to the number we want to be specified to get the rank of the number in the list of the numbers? So in this case, we are just taking consideration of the A2 to A5. So it will return a rank of the first, okay, first from the list. And what exactly the Excel, by default, the Excel is going to be help us. Default, it takes ascending order. Okay, by default, it's going to be take as ascending order of all these elements. And also what will happen, since we are going to be do some ascending order, it will take both threes and get the second rank and also the first rank of the fourth. That's how it's going to be works out. That's the reason we are getting as a fourth. We're just encountering with the three value, right? That's the reason. If you just go and discuss with some ascending order, it will be encountering as a fourth value with respect to it. Okay, so we have something called as a max. Max will going to be help us to return the maximum value of a list, whatever the values we have. So see here we have a values from A2 to A4. You can see if you just enter past to this, the maximum value of this, it's going to be pass. Similarly, what we just seen with respect to large, and the minimum value also, whatever the range you want to be specified, that going to be give as the minimum value. If you want to be specified the out of the range, it may not be take that consideration. And if you want any kind of the error or miss kind of numbers, it won't give, it will throw an error. So these are some fundamental statistics operations, and also the we have seen lookup operators, and we have seen some other operators with corresponding to text formulas. So let's also more discuss about some other operators in the future sections. Thank you.